Jessica Josiah, the anchor, the homemaker. I just want to share with you some brief how to invest your money. I know real estate is real good, but for example, if you have 130 million naira, to me, I advise you invest the money on bond or mutual fund. You can just walk to your bank and ask them the interest for bond and mutual fund. So to me, firstly, if you have that kind of money, I believe you are supposed to invest it either on bond or mutual fund, anyone that the interest is better. So with that, you can be yielding interest on a yearly basis, and that interest can actually get you the kind of property you want. You can actually invest the interest on a property depending on how you negotiate with the seller. You can actually make a payment plan with your capital and it keeps increasing. But when it comes to property has a lot of innovation. You need lots of money to take care of your property, and sometimes too, property used to decay, so you need lots of money to maintain your property. So I believe if you have up to like 130 million or more, I prefer you invest it on bond so that it can be yielding interest for you, and whatever you want to do with that interest, you just go ahead. You can even make a payment plan on how to buy a property. God bless you. Bye.